Hey guys, today I'm doing an unboxing for Turbo Time USA. They were nice enough to send me out a VGT solenoid, which is their new, not released yet to the public, soon to be released, lightning bolt solenoid for Power Stroke and Duramax trucks. And basically what this solenoid does is it increases your boost, you're getting better MPGs, cleaner exhaust, and all around just better performance. Right now, I'm running a GXR 7 65mm turbo in the truck from the same company. And like I said, they were nice enough to send me out this solenoid, and so I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. All I've done so far is just cut the tape, save me some time. Let's see. Let's just see. We got the solenoid actuator itself right here. So, first glance, packaging, awesome. The way it's all set up on the side of the box, you got the boost increase, improve MPG, cleaner exhaust, faster torque production, all that stuff like I said earlier. And gonna cut it open. We'll take a first peek at this. All right. So right away, you get the lightning bolt solenoid engraved in on the side, and like I said, it helps with your VGT function, and I'm excited to put it in the truck, excited to give you guys a review, and I'll get back right when I get this set in, and we'll see how it performs. I'm excited. All right, guys, solenoid is completely installed, one of the easiest installs I think you could have. It probably took me 5-10 minutes at most. And it's literally just one bolt, take it out, put in this new one, and tighten it up and go play. And that's exactly what we did. So I'll show you a little pull. Let me tell you what, this actuator is exactly what they're saying it is. I'm very happy with the product. Definitely recommend one if you're out in the market for something that's going to get you a little bit better throttle response, you know, cut down on turbo lag, all that stuff. And of course, at the end of the day, it also says it gives better MPG. So I'm really excited to see that. Like I said, if you're in the market, definitely check them out. Great company. Really excited to be working with these guys. And thank you so much for letting me try it out. Like I said, definitely recommend.